Hi everyone, my name's Rachel Oliver and I'm here in the labs at the Department of Materials Science and Metallurgy in Cambridge, and I want to say welcome to our workshop, which is called Lots and Lots of Light Bulbs. And I do indeed have lots and lots of light bulbs, one in my hand and lots of different ones over here. And today we're going to be talking about how these light bulbs light up our world and some of the science behind that. Now, maybe at home you've also got lots of light bulbs, or you might have something like this, a torch or a toy which uses lights called LEDs, light emitting diodes. Now this torch has light emitting diodes in it, which you can use when it's dark to see where you're going. But it's quite interesting because it doesn't run on batteries like some torches you might have seen. Instead, I can generate electricity in my torch by squeezing this handle. I'm going to show you how now. Here I go. So when I squeezed the handle over and over again, I generated electricity, and that made my light emitting diodes light up. Now, today, as well as talking about light bulbs, we're going to be talking about where electricity comes from. But we don't just want you to spend the whole of the workshop listening to me talk. We'd like you to get involved and do some activities yourself. And the first activity I'd like to do is to have a think about just how many light bulbs there are in your house. As I said, I've got lots here and I've got even more at home. But how many light bulbs do you have at home? If you are at home, maybe with your grown-up, you could go around the house and have a look how many light bulbs you've got in just a moment. This video will end and then you can go and have a look, count up your light bulbs and come back and play the next video. Once you've done that, we'll talk a little bit more about light bulbs and about some of the science behind them.